Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the backup camera on a 2013 to 2017 Honda Accord. If you put your car in reverse and you get a black screen with the yellow lines and no other image, you probably need a new camera. The tools you'll need are a 10mm socket and extension with a ratchet or a impact driver like I have, a pair of needle nose pliers, a plastic trim tool, and a small flathead screwdriver. The camera is right here on the trunk lid. To get it out, you need to take off this trim piece first. So open the trunk and take off the liner. To remove the trunk lid liner, there are 10 of these clips. You just pull the top out and the whole clip comes out. To remove the trunk lid trim, there are 2 bolts and a few clips. There are 2 bolts, one on each side through these holes. Remove those with a 10mm socket and an extension. Once you have the bolts out, squeeze these 2 clips, one next to each license plate light. Once you've released those clips from the inside, take a trim tool and carefully pry up on the trim. Be careful with your plastic taillights. And then slide the trim off. This is the wiring connector for the camera, so just push on this tab and unplug it. Then here on the camera there's this tab on the side, push that in and then swing that side of the camera out. So the tab holds it on one side and it just hooks onto the other, so then just pull it out. Now take your new camera, feed the wiring harness through, hook on the one side, and then clip in the other side. And then plug the camera in. Now put the car in reverse to make sure that the new camera works. So to put the trim back on, notice these white clips, they go into these spots here. And so get the trim around the camera like this, line it up, and push it down. Now put the 2 bolts back in. And put the trunk lid liner back on. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Follow me on social media on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.